Every year, millions of tons of peanuts are harvested from sprawling fields across Asia, where the climate and soil are exceptionally suited for this crop. But did you know that behind this massive yield lies a long journey filled with sweat, tears, and the creativity of hard-working farmers? Each peanut's journey begins with tiny seeds carefully selected from the previous season. Farmers choose seeds not only based on size but also on quality, disease resistance, and high yield potential. After preparing the soil thoroughly by plowing, aerating, and applying organic fertilizers, these seeds are sown, embarking on a growth cycle that lasts 4 to 5 months. When the harvest season arrives, peanut fields shift from vibrant green to a gentle golden hue. This marks the busiest time of the year for farmers. In Asian villages, the sight of farmers bending over to pull up each peanut plant has become a symbol of hard work and a close connection to nature. In many regions, traditional manual methods are still widely practiced. Farmers use hoes, shovels, or even their bare hands to uproot each peanut plant. This work is not just labor-intensive but also an art. They must feel the soil with their hands and find the perfect angle to pull the plant without breaking the roots, as each plant often holds 20 to 40 peanuts firmly attached. Once uprooted, peanut plants are bundled into small heaps and laid out on the ground to dry under the sun. Sun drying not only reduces moisture content in the peanuts but also hardens their outer shells, making them easier to store for longer periods. In some areas, the sun drying process becomes a family activity. Children play around the peanut rows, helping to turn the plants so the sun can dry them evenly. The image of a family working together, laughing and chatting, creates a heartwarming scene of rural life. With technological advancements, large-scale farms in Asia have adopted machinery to increase harvest efficiency. Modern harvesters can dig deep into the soil, lift entire peanut plants without damaging the pods, separate the peanuts from the plants, clean the soil off, and even package them, all within the field. Imagine this: in just a few hours, dozens of hectares of peanuts can be completely harvested. A single modern machine can replace the labor of hundreds, saving both time and costs. China, balancing tradition and modernity. As the largest peanut-producing country in the world, China seamlessly blends traditional manual techniques with advanced machinery. In rural areas, elderly farmers can still be seen carefully uprooting peanut plants by hand, while large farms utilize fully automated harvesting systems. India, harvesting with festivals. In India, peanut harvesting often coincides with festivals. Farmers celebrate with singing, dancing, and communal feasts right in the fields. This not only lightens the workload but also fosters community bonds. Vietnam, creativity from limited resources. In Vietnam, many farmers still rely on the strength of buffalo or oxen to assist with the harvest. A common sight is carts filled with peanuts being pulled along village roads, carrying not just the harvest but also the joy and pride of hard work. After being harvested, peanuts undergo cleaning and sorting. The highest quality peanuts are used for export or processed into premium products such as peanut butter, peanut oil, and snacks. Smaller peanuts are often sold fresh at local markets or used as animal feed. In large factories, peanuts are run through automated lines for shelling, drying, and packaging. This process ensures not only product quality but also preserves the freshness and unique flavor of the peanuts. Each peanut carries its own story, a story of diligent farmers, families bonded through generations of farming, and modern technologies transforming the face of Asian agriculture. Peanuts are not just a food staple. They symbolize resilience, creativity, and the strength of human labor. So, the next time you hold a handful of roasted peanuts, remember the effort, care, and love poured into every single pod. The journey of peanut harvesting is just one of countless fascinating stories about Asian agriculture. In the next video, we'll take you to golden rice paddies, fragrant coffee fields, or vibrant orchards. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss these captivating discoveries.